file 22-21196-FC, People versus Andrew Olmhausen. We are here today for a pretrial conference in this case, and we are proceeding today by video conference. First, can I have the attorneys place their appearance on the record, beginning with Mr. Grable?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Scott Grable, P53310, on behalf of Andrew Olhausen, Your Honor. We obviously consent to doing this proceeding by Zoom. Thank you and good morning.
Yeah, and I apologize. I got ahead of myself. Ms. Palak, would you like to place your appearance on the record?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Melissa Palap on behalf of the people.
All right, and my understanding at this point is we just need to set this for a new trial date. Is that accurate?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor. I just want to put on the record as well, Mr. Amadeo apologizes. He's in court right now. There are some, obviously, video items that we're still trying to procure. I could put those on the record if the court would allow me to. The videos are from 10/19/2021 through 11/10/2021. I have several of them, Your Honor. I don't have to place them on the record if the court doesn't want me to, whatever the court's pleasure is, that we're still missing.
You can go ahead.
Okay, I'll be fast, Your Honor. One is from a Jennifer Patterson. One is from a Jackson Patterson, a Jaden Patterson, another video, Haley Patterson, another video, Josh Erd, another video, Jennifer Hess, and another video from Madeline and Haley Miller, and another video from Mike Orta. They're all listed in the police report, I believe from Detective or Officer Keene, and we still don't have those.
Could you please tell me the date of those videos?
Yes, I apologize. Jennifer Patterson is 10/19/21. Jackson Patterson is 10/19/21. Jaden Patterson is 10/19/21. Haley Patterson is 10/19/21. Josh Erd is 10/20/2022. Jennifer Hess is 10/20/2021. Madeline and Haley Miller is 11/10/2021. And Mike Orta is 11/5/2021.
And Your Honor, I was not made aware of that prior to this hearing. I did get a couple emails from Mr. Amadeo late last night after close of business, but I haven't had a chance to read those yet. So I will have to reach out to my officer in charge to see, and I will check my own discovery to see if I had already previously provided those.
Okay. Other than those videos, are there any other evidentiary issues that are outstanding at this point?
No, Your Honor, there are not.
Okay. Last time we had this scheduled, it was for 4 days. Is that still what we think is appropriate amount of time?
I think so, Your Honor.
I didn't mean to cut you off. Thank you. Yeah, I believe that's correct, Your Honor. I was going to ask, and I realize it's pushed out. Mr. Amadeo gave me his schedule, and he could provide it to the court as well. He indicates, because he's got several trials coming up, he's not available till, obviously, the first week of July. I realize that's a long way away, but I have a list of his schedule. He's got several trials in March, April, and May, and some in June. But, I mean, he could provide them to your staff if you want to see them, but that's what he indicated to me, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I could just make a question of Mr. Grable, just because I got an email from Mr. Amadeo last week indicating that there was another attorney who was going to be the lead attorney. And I'm still very unclear about what is happening with that.
Well, I can indicate, number one, Mr. Amadeo obviously is going to be at trial, obviously participating in the case. Bill McCreary, who handles cases from my office, is also going to be participating as well. That is correct. Bill McCreary is out of Howell, Michigan. And he does cases for us as well, but he'll be participating as well. So it's going to be both of them.
All right. So, Francis, could we have a 4-day jury trial date? Start looking first week of July.
And Your Honor, I'm not available the first week of July.
Okay, so the second week of July then.
Tuesday, July 15th at 9, Wednesday, July 16th at 10:30, Thursday, July 17th at 9, and then Friday, July 18th at 9.
Already marked them in there, Your Honor, and I'll obviously notify Mr. Amadeo immediately. That should not be an issue, but I'm going to text him as soon as we're done this proceeding. That should not be a problem. Let me text him now, actually.
Could we also confirm with Mr. Amadeo, the purpose of this hearing was also to ensure that he could open the drive?
I haven't had any issue. He did not bring anything to attention. There was a problem opening the drive to let you know. I'm
Thank
looking
you.
at detailed email, so there was no issue at all accessing that drive.
Okay, so let's do a final pretrial then on July 9th at 8:15 a.m. That can be by Zoom. And then trial beginning on the July 15th and going through the 18th. The court will issue a scheduling order with those dates.
Thank you.
And mail that to you. Is there anything else that we need to address with the case today?
The
No.
only thing,
I'm
sorry.
sorry. Go ahead.
Sorry,
I apologize. Go ahead.
The only thing that I wanted to address is I was waiting to see the trial date for my expert. She has been in trial consistently, so she didn't have any dates. But now that the trial is pushed out so far, I'm going to ask her for the dates between now and then. So I will let the court know her availability to do a dauber hearing.
Okay, and you can, once we have more information on that, you can schedule that through Francis.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
What is fine for trial?
July 9th.
Oh,
Okay, anything else for today then?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nothing on behalf of the people.
All right, thank you for your time. Then you can go ahead and log out.
Thank you, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Ms. Underwood, are you ready to proceed with Mr. McCollum Rosa?
Your Honor, I'm communicating with the prosecutor in this matter. It'll be just a few minutes, Your Honor.
Okay.
this one, I'm sending it to jail. We're going to call the jail.
Uh, Good morning, Mr. Noe. What case are you here for?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for the Maples.
Okay. Okay, the gentleman, I think at Monroe County Jail, you're Jeremy Gillespie.
Yes,
Okay, Mr. Gillespie, your attorney is not logged in here yet, so as soon as we get him, we'll proceed with your case.
okay, thank you.
I'm just gonna put you back in the waiting room until we have Mr. Fry.
Okay,
Carter case. This is file 19-19548-FH, People versus Jeremy Jamal Carter. We are here today for a hearing on a request and sentence for probation violation. And we are proceeding today in person, and the court also has a Zoom session running. The record should reflect this matter was set for 8:40 a.m. I'm sorry, this matter was set for 8:15 a.m. this morning. It's now 8:40 a.m. And Mr. Carter has not appeared either in person or by logging into Zoom. So Mr. Carter's failed to appear, and I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I will set bond on that bench warrant in the $25,000 cash or surety. Jail and to know that neither of the Zoom devices they have plugged in from me are Heather.
Hello, this is Mary and Judge Olsaver. Neither of the cameras in the booking or in the room are on, and the audio's not on. And yeah, and we need Mr. Maples. They're logged in, but they're not turned on. Great, thank you. Bye.
Okay, Ms. Underwood, are you ready to proceed with Mr. McCollum Rosa?
Your Honor, we have sent over a copy of a signed plea agreement, but I believe we're still waiting for an amended.
All right,
I'm typing that up right now, Your Honor.
okay. This is file 24-21832-FH, People versus Christina Sanford. This is set for a hearing on a request and summons for probation violation. Record should reflect it was set for a hearing this morning at 8:15 a.m. It's now 8:44 a.m. Ms. Sanford is not present here in the courtroom, and she has not logged into the Zoom session. So she failed to appear. Of course, can issue a bench warrant for her arrest and set bond on that bench warrant in the amount of 20 cash assured.
I just sent that over, so the court should have it momentarily.
Okay, yep, it just popped up. All right, this is file 24-21958-FH and 24-22070-FH. People versus Skylar Austin McCollum Rosa. We are here today for a pretrial conference in these cases, and we are proceeding today by video conference. First, can I have the attorneys place their appearances on the record, beginning with Mr. Bayoneto?
Alex Bayoneto for the people.
Come on, when you're done.
All right.
Ms. Underwood, are you there?
I apologize, Your Honor. Rhonda Underwood for Mr. McCollum Rosa.
All right, and it's my understanding we have a plea agreement in this case. Ms. Underwood, you want to put the terms of that agreement on the record?
I will, Your Honor. Thank you. The plea agreement is as follows, Your Honor. Mr. McCollum Rosa will plead guilty to an attempted unlawful postage of message with aggravating circumstance in 24 of, Your Honor, I apologize. Can we go off live stream, please?